Hello, my name is Sneha yadav and my roll number is 21CS10069 and I'm from section 13. This is a fire alarm system using Arduino and the devices used are Arduino Uno R3, one temperature sensor, one gas sensor, one piezo, one red LED, 2 kilo ohm resistor. Now, now this is a temperature sensor, gas sensor, piezo resistor, 1 kilo ohm resistor, LED light. Now we will see. This is the code for Arduino used in the system. Now we will start the simulation. Now we will increase the temperature by 80 degree and LED light will start. LED light will on. It's glowing now. If we will reduce the temperature, the LED lights stop glowing. This is a gas sensor. When we'll take this near to our gas sensor, the piezo will start beeping. Now, this is used in our daily. This is our used in daily household. Thank you.